We will solve the system of equations step by step with clear visual cues. The two equations are x squared plus y squared equals 25 and x minus y equals 7. We will use substitution. First, isolate y from the second equation. From x minus y equals 7, y equals x minus 7. Substitute x minus 7 in place of y in the first equation. We get x squared plus parenthesis x minus 7 close parenthesis squared equals 25. Now expand the square. Parenthesis x minus 7 close parenthesis squared equals x squared minus 14x plus 49. Replace it back into the equation. Combine like terms. 2x squared minus 14x plus 49 equals 25. Subtract 25 from both sides. Divide everything by 2 to simplify. Factor the quadratic. We want two numbers that multiply to 12 and add to negative 7. Those numbers are negative 3 and negative 4. So the factorization is parenthesis x minus 3 close parenthesis times parenthesis x minus 4 close parenthesis equals 0. Set each factor to 0. X minus 3 equals 0 gives x equals 3. X minus 4 equals 0 gives x equals 4. Now use y equals x minus 7. When x equals 3, y equals 3 minus 7, which is negative 4. When x equals 4, y equals 4 minus 7, which is negative 3. Quick check in the first equation. 3 squared plus negative 4 squared equals 9 plus 16 equals 25. 4 squared plus negative 3 squared equals 16 plus 9 equals 25. Both pairs satisfy the circle equation. Therefore, the solutions are left parenthesis 3, negative 4 right parenthesis, and left parenthesis 4, negative 3 right parenthesis.
Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on Myverse Maths.